Hello, good morning. So, the topic is about how to tackle stress in everyday life. So, let's get started. Tackling stress involves multiple steps in order to make life stress remove free. So, first one is identify the source of stress. What is causing you stress? A healthy lifestyle, regular exercises, physical activity, mood changes your mood. A balanced diet, including fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, helps in improving life better. Adequate sleep, you have to take 7 to 9 hours of sleep regularly in order to make lifestyle better. So, third one is relaxation techniques, deep breathing exercises, meditations, muscle relaxation. It involves slow breathing to calm your nervous system, meditation techniques in order to reduce anxiety, and progressive muscle relaxation. Time management is another point to, as I say, in order to break your bigger tasks into smaller ones to achieve manageable steps. Social support, talk to your friends, family. It makes a research of mind uh, to trusted people in order to make life happy. Hobbies such as, you have to include hobbies such as playing cricket, uh, football, outdoor games. Okay. Professional help. You can take help from your doctor, concerned doctor, regarding the matter. Positive thinking is one of the important type. Make time for yourself in order to relax. Laughter is a great stress removal. And yoga. You do yoga in order to maintain mental well-being. So that was about how to manage and tackle stress in everyday life. So if you like the video, do like, share, and subscribe Focus Flicks. Thanks for watching the video. Have a nice day. Thank you.